What's going on? James Bondi's here. In this video, I'm going to talk all about the home care industry, all the stats, how big of an opportunity the home care industry is, where to run the traffic, what keywords to bid on, what the funnel should look like, and then how to get access to a done-for-you funnel, which you get for free by joining GoHighLevel, which is the tool we use to run our business, under our affiliate link for a 30-day trial. Those links are down below, or you can comment and I'll send a secret link by commenting down below in the comment section of this video. First, back in action again. I know I'm constantly saying that I'm going somewhere, but I truly am, I swear. That's what hinders my ability to get these done. And so I appreciate everybody's patience with that. Last week, I was at the GoHighLevel event. I believe it was like 3 awards that I got, one for being an affiliate, one for my SaaS business, and I can't remember what the heck the other one was. It was for something else. GoHighLevel gives out a lot of awards, and sometimes even they are confused of what the award is. But once they come in, I'll do a video on what they are, how I got them, and honestly, if anybody out there is looking to just be an affiliate for GoHighLevel, not build a SaaS business, but just offer GoHighLevel to either businesses or other people who want to run their business, I'm thinking of doing an entire training on that. And so if you stay until the end, I'm going to share with you exactly how to get this secret link that will show you all of the bonuses that anyone who joins my 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel gets. But in the meantime, I want to give you enough value so you don't feel like I'm just constantly saying join GoHighLevel under my affiliate link. And in this video, you're going to get a ton of value. So let's go ahead and jump into the statistics of this industry, and then I'll get into the traffic, and then I'm going to get into the funnel. So let's jump in. All right. So what makes this industry a very profitable industry for people like us in the marketing agency world is the size of the market. As you can see here, it is in 2023, it was $150 billion market. And by the way, this is going to be growing at 7 to 8%, but it also, I believe, is going to grow faster than that because we do have an aging population, baby boomers. My father's 77 years old. That huge generation is getting into their 70s. And in the next 3, 5, 10 years, I believe this industry is going to be doubled. And so if home care is something that you might be able to land as a client, and by the way, there are home care companies growing everywhere, okay? I actually have a close friend of mine. He owns a home care industry, a home care business in Florida. It's not directed at elderly people. It's directed more about like kids that are bedridden and in sad situations like this. And unfortunately, even that industry is growing like crazy. So this doesn't have to only be for elderly, but you can start in the elderly part of this niche, and you could always work your way into other parts of the niche, because ultimately by helping these businesses get more clients or patients, you're helping fulfill a need that is needed more now than ever and will continue to be needed. So be that superhero to these home care industry businesses, and you'll fulfill a need in the marketplace. And that's what I love about this business. Average revenue per client. This is going to be dependent on services providing, how long a nurse may have to stay there, how old are they, what do they actually need. But let's just take a light crack at $2,000 to $4,000 per month. It could be a lot more than that. It could be like triple that. It could be quadruple that. Okay. So my point is that one client or one patient for this industry is worth a lot of money, which means they're willing to pay a lot of money to acquire a patient. Okay. And so if you're thinking about it as a $4,000 per month income, you're looking at $48,000 to $50,000 a year for one patient. Okay. As you can see here, medical services like nursing is about $4,000 to $10,000. Most of the Medicare, Medicaid, private insurance, out of pocket will kick in. Cost structures, the labor cost is the most amount of money. Administrative, insurance and liability, transportation, equipment and supplies, and you don't even have marketing in here. One thing to keep in mind when it comes to the labor costs, that's a big range, right? So 60% based on what services are provided, up to 80%, all right? But insurance companies, especially Medicare, will pay for this kind of stuff, or Medicaid, all right? Profit margins, you're looking at about 8 to 15%, all right? Probably high, on the higher end, based on knowledge that I have from a very, very close friend of mine. If you're looking at like, what do you bid when running these ads? So these are just, and I'm going to show you like a breakdown of how they should be set up in Google Ads, but the whole, home health care near me, private health care, home care, like these are all, hospice care, home care medical. These are the top 20 keywords in the cost per click, depending on where you are. This is going to be average, okay? It could be less than that. It could be more than that, all right? But I'm giving you the average so you can have an understanding of, okay, cool. If I'm going to charge this home care company, $5,000 a month, how much should they expect to spend in ad spend? And you could base that off of the cost per clicks. So now you understand the industry. Let's talk all about the traffic source. All right, so the strategy on this is going to be Google AdWords, okay? You don't want to run Facebook ads in hopes of finding somebody who is in need of this service. It doesn't make sense, okay? You can't create an offer for this kind of business. There is no offer. The offer is just giving the services, and hopefully their insurance pays for it, or somebody has enough money, okay? So figure average cost of click about $8, 50% phone call and 50% form or survey submits. Average cost per lead about $40, and the client conversion rate is about 10 to 20%. I would say 10 to 15%, to be honest with you. I'm going to change this, at least based on the last one that we've run. Ad group name, we want to set it up under home care. Type search network only, all features, Google search only, client's target area. Obviously, you're going to want to be only in the area that the home care company is. Manual CPC. The budget, about $50 a day. You may have to increase that if Google is not spending your money. Typically, when Google is not spending your money, what that means is that you are not willing to spend enough. It doesn't, even if you put $100 or $200 a day, it doesn't mean that Google is going to spend it, but it's going to look at basically who are you competing with and how much are they willing to spend, because the person who is willing to spend the most, they're going to show your ads, but it doesn't mean they're going to spend all of it. Okay. Ad scheduling, 24 hours are set for business hours of the client. Sometimes we like to do that. Rotate indefinitely. And then this is kind of, I don't know if you could see this. I just took a screenshot of what it would look like. So you would insert keyword senior in home care, Sacramento. Then you would have the URL, fill in our quick 60-second home care eval to see home care options and pricings. Okay. Simple, very simple, keeping it simple, especially in this industry. You don't need to be a great marketer for this. If somebody's looking for it for their elderly parent, they just want to click, get into it, fill out the form, and get somebody to contact them. Very, very simple. All right. Keywords. This is how you would want to set this up. As you know, when it comes to Google, you want to include the words. You want to include all of the words as one search, right? Like if you just leave this open, it could be showing your ad to anybody who types in-home pet services, okay? We want to include everything within the quotes. And so anything in the brackets would be an exact match. Anything in the quotes would be a broad match. So it would say in-home care services near me, as long as it includes the in-home care services. Google got rid of the plus signs, okay? So you don't need, just ignore that. You would just put either quotes around it, or you would put brackets around it. This is just an old slide that I'm using to go through this. Okay, so you just keep in mind that you want to use quotes or brackets when it comes to what keywords that you want to hit directly. Again, I think I said this already. If you just put in-home care services, it could be showing your ad for anything that says care services. It could say in-home pet services, and your ad will show up. Don't want to do that, all right? Any ad extensions, we want to use a call tracking number within GoHighLevel. And we could put like 5-star professional, over 20 years experience, just whatever it is about that client. And so that's basically an overview of how to very easily run this. just on pay-per-click. I think pay-per-click ads is very simple to set up, more now than ever. And if you need a simple training, again, grab your 30-day trial by commenting down below, and I'll shoot you a link, because one of the bonuses is a pay-per-click ads training for anybody who stays through their trial and makes their first payment on the unlimited plan. So let's jump right into the funnel. Okay, so obviously we're using GoHighLevel. Ignore the agency toolbox. That's my white labeled version. What we want to do here is let's look at first the funnel, then the survey, then the follow-up. So we have two funnels. We have the home care funnel that was designed a little bit differently than our OG funnel. I actually like our OG funnel a little bit better. We can go through both, so let's just do that. So this is what it would look like. Okay, very, very simple. Are you looking for senior care in whatever city? Here's our 60-second evaluation quiz. You know, marketers don't talk a lot about quizzes anymore, and it is one of the biggest reasons we've seen success in our agency since 2000. Me, 2014, Jason, 2012. Quizzes are the best. Every time somebody puts in an answer, they're almost saying yes over and over. They've invested 60 seconds, which means they're probably going to answer the phone on that follow-up, okay? And again, you're going to edit this stuff, any reviews, and we want to edit this survey so we can go ahead and look at it because it's too much squeezed within this. When I'm doing these, the cool thing is that I get to edit these and then update the snapshot so you'll get the latest version. What type of care are you interested in? Assisted living, and then you just click the button. Retired income savings. Some of them have an auto switch, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm not going to go through the survey because I'm going to show you. And we keep it simple. Now, if we look at the, again, thank you pages, we're going to give them just kind of a thank you for filling this out. You can call us to speak to one of our advisors, or we'll call you. Very, very, very simple. Again, as I've mentioned many times, this is our tried and true 2-page sites. So that's the OG. We have a little bit of a redesign on this. It's nothing completely different except some stuff like here. There's some overlap that I'll fix. I'm just going to go in here and edit this stuff for the snapshot. We want this cleaned up a little bit. Logo, who they are. You know, they can click here to take the survey as a pop-up, or they could take it within the embed. Okay. You know, this is like a multiple. They can have in-core assistant living. They have Alzheimer's. What's the issue? What's the issue here? So on and so forth. And then it gives them kind of a scrolling bar. All right. And so when people do that, they come to the thank you page. Let's go into the survey. All right, so here's the survey, home care questionnaire, and it's set up like this. I would, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change this into slides. Out of the box, because this is a survey that's already done, it doesn't give me the option to add slides, okay? So I'm going to go back, and I just want to show you guys how to do it if you want to. I'm going to actually do this, so in the snapshot, it'll already be done, but I can add slide, and then what I'll do is, in slide 1, I'm going to do first name on one slide, last name on the other. I'm going to get them to put that in. Then on slide 2, I'm going to say, who is the care for? What type of care? Add slide. How do you plan on paying? How many hours do you need? How many days a week? How long do you anticipate needing the care? And then we're going to go into now finding out who the heck they are. So we're going to go to quick add. We're going to do a zip code. Okay, what we're doing here is just, we want to make sure that we get them deep into the process before we start asking them personal, like home address, name, phone number. Because what happens is if you start too early in the process, a lot of people will click off. We already have all the data on this. Putting the name in the front is fine, but asking for email and phone number, and like where they are and where do they live, we want to make sure that we put that toward the end, because a lot of it's a psychological thing, like, I've already done all this, let me just finish it. So the postal code, we're going to go email. We already asked their name. And one of the very last questions we're going to get to is phone number. Okay. And the best way to do this is just say, verify current mobile number for discussing the care options. Okay. We want that required, because, I mean, we could hit them with an email, which we will, but we want to change our consent to, I consent to receive SMS alerts of company message and data rates may apply. Text help to blah, blah, blah. I'm going to remove that. You can reply stop to unsubscribe at any time. Okay. Then put a real privacy policy in terms of service. You can get them from your client. And then I think we're going to hit the last question on a custom field. Last question. When do you need care to start? Okay. And then they can submit it. All right. And I'll get this all working right. And so I don't want to waste time too much on setting up the surveys. If you choose to get this already done for you, again, 30-day free trial, comment down below, like this video, subscribe, because I have a bunch more done for you funnels coming out. And so I'm actually going to probably do another one for either later tonight or tomorrow morning, and so I can catch up on all these, 2 a day maybe. Okay, so I want to make sure that you know that a lot of these they're all should be required, every single one of them. And so again, I'll have that all buttoned up and updated in the snapshot. Now let's quickly go through the automations. Now you can build these automations out as you wish, but this is what's worked with us in the past. So again, survey submitted. You make sure that if you're using the other survey that I created, you just choose the survey slides. I'll probably rename that to home care survey. And then they're going to get an email. And the email is you've submitted for more information about in-home senior care services. The next step is to have a quick discussion about what we can offer. You can schedule a time to talk that is convenient for you here. And then it'll be the link to the calendar. Or you can just call the Twilio number. Or it would be the GoHighLevel tracking number. You can put it in there as you wish. If you have any questions, name, last name. Okay, so you can make this as sophisticated, is the word I was looking for, as you want. Now, if you do not have A2P registration, because maybe you want to do a trial with them, or you just, you haven't gotten them approved yet, then simply skip over the SMSs and just send them an email. Very simple. Okay. And then it's going to wait till the next day at 8 a.m., so on and so forth. And this is a 11-touch, I think it's more than 11. This is a 15-touch follow-up, but probably what would work the best is actually having your client call them the minute they submit it. The fastest to the phone wins the game every single time. All right, so that's the funnel. That's the follow-up. I don't want to go through all the follow-ups. You can just grab that free snapshot and see everything for yourself. So to conclude this video, all these 14 snapshots, as we call them, if you're using GoHighLevel, you can get by joining my affiliate link for 30 days, and it is part of the unlimited plan bonus once you actually pay for the trial. Prior to paying for the trial, you get all the other bonuses that I offer. And again, I have a link that explains everything in detail with a video and screenshots and everything that you could imagine. So just comment down below and I'll send you that link. And the best part is that because I'm shooting this video on October 30th, if you get in on your trial now, by the time you can probably upgrade to start paying, because some people skip the trial to get my bonuses so they don't have to wait for certain bonuses. I will tell you that GoHighLevel will be having some specials on your first payment in November. So if that's when you're watching this, then now is a perfect time. And if it's not, now is always the best time. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.